وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So I seek shelter in Allah from the Qudus Satan, in the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the world. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Malik Yawmiddin, Master of Day of Judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. It is your we worship and you ask for help. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim, guide us to the straight path. Siratal ladina an'amta alayhim ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. The path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who are astray. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.